Meditation is from this Buddhist book this morning, Wisdom of the Buddha. The first noble truth is that man's existence is full of misery. The second noble truth is that man's existence is that this misery originates from ourselves. It is our own selfish craving for pleasure that leads to the suffering. The realization that this misery can be eliminated is the third truth. And finally, strict discipline is required in the fourth Buddhist doctrine. Following the methodical path, or the Eightfold Path, is the liberation from this misery. The Eightfold Path, a means of overcoming this misery through rightness of belief, resolve, speech, action, livelihood, effort, thought, and meditation, will lead the individual to nirvana, or the end of the cycle of misery. When I lived in Thailand for several years, trying to practice meditation, rightness of belief, behavior, attitude, intake of food, all these kinds of things. But like the Christian belief along those lines, I don't know if it's just Christian or whatnot, about don't be materialistic, those kinds of things. So you see how this weaves its way through the different religious belief systems, or religions, whatever, that most of them have the thing about don't covet other people's things, don't be materialistic. It's like 9/11. It's an inside job. You know what just came in my head about the whole thing? Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. That's a thought for the day. Don't go on that spending spree until you won the lottery. You know what I'm saying?